Hello students, my name is Teacher Gary. What's your name? My name is... Pleased to meet you. Welcome to another online English lesson. Today is story time. Today's story is called My Pet Parrot. Okay, let's begin. This is my parrot. It lives in a cage. It can talk. Hello, hello. It can whistle. It can ride a bicycle. It can fly. We play hide and seek. It eats every day. I brush its feathers. Now it's bedtime. What's that noise? What's that noise? Hello, hello, hello. I can't sleep. Oh. The end. Wasn't that funny, students? Okay, now look, listen, and repeat. Talk. Whistle. Ride a bicycle. Fly. Play. Okay, very good, students. Okay, students, now it's question time. What's this? Correct! It's a parrot. Okay, students, what can a parrot do? What can a parrot do? Talk, correct. Hello, hello. Okay, again, students. What can a parrot do? Whistle, correct. What can a parrot do? Ride a bicycle. Correct. What can a parrot do? Fly. Correct. What can a parrot do? Play. Correct. Well done, students. Well, I hope you've all had fun, but that's the end of today's lesson. So, see you all again next time. Bye.